And good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. First day of the month, September 1st, and I'm going to run through what we did today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 setups, but we had 8 entries because we had a couple of these twice. We had up to 7 winners. And we had one break. We had one break even. We had 1 loser, and we had 6 winners. So I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. This was our break even. We had to get out of it. It was in the ES. Again, this is in no particular time order. We got into a power play right before 10 o'clock, and I was willing to try it to see if it can, get us into a free trade because I thought it was going up. We had a target up at 950. And then higher, but we just didn't get, our rule is that when the news comes out at 10 o'clock, if we're not in a free trade, we don't stay in the trade. So I was bouncing around here. People were in as low as 04, as high as 04.75, and it was bouncing around for 2 candles in there. So ample time to get out, make a tick, lose a tick, whatever. Everybody's got to be flat before the 10 o'clock comes. Said it was probably going to go up anyway, but again, we have to follow our rules. So nobody made any money on that trade. That was a scratch. We had a monster NQ at the open. Monster NQ, a UT trade, short on the 933 candle, 12, 170, 175. And the trade went, almost, over 160 ticks right down to the target. Beautiful trade happened within, this one triggered here late in the candle. It went down here and then it kind of bounced around and ended up here. So it was a couple of minutes. It was all the way down there. It's just a great trade. Said it didn't have to go any lower when the market came up. I was willing to try another power play, and that was at 89 quarter, 12, 189 quarter on the 945 candle. Now what happened here is we had to add. We were easily able to get out of break even. Okay. And then we hit it again, and then it finally went up, and it went from 90 quarter. It really went kind of all the way up, but we had news. Most people were out around here if they were still in. Some people even down here. Right here on this initial push, just to be out, because it kind of bounced around and not everybody hit it the third time. So, but it was a nice trade. For those, who took it again, even if they got the second one, nothing fancy, but, it was not bad. Took a trade against a trend at 1018 right here. We got short. It was an immediate stop out. We were looking for it to come down more into this area. It didn't work out, so that was our loser. Then when it came up, I said if they're not going down, they're going to go up, and we got long. Hit it a couple times. Hit it the first time at 42.75 on the 1024 candle. It made 20 ticks. Go to entry. When it stopped us out and went down, I said if it comes through and stops you out and goes back up and triggers, hit it again, because we had these upside targets here. Both were hit. Actually, was the high of the morning for sure. They didn't go higher till the end of the day. But that was a monster trade. From 42.75, it made 20, and then it made 100 ticks. Both targets were hit. Then when the targets were hit and it failed, it came down. We tried an RS trade. Some people were in a little bit lower, but those who waited for the candle to close, if you want to make sure you're in, you can grab it a little bit lower. But my exact words were it could go up to 54, and that's exactly where it went right there. I say, hit it when it closes, and it just went all the way down. It went from 12.254. And it just went all the way down, a couple hundred ticks, down. So that was a really nice trade there. Most people did not sit through this move here. It's just that initial push. So, 40, 150 ticks up to, and again, not everybody got 150 ticks. It was just a great, a couple monster trade there, monster trade there, monster trade there, one stop out, and a couple small ones, 2, 3 small ones. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Be safe. Bye-bye.